Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can get amazing website design ideas. So let me show you one website, and that website called Awwwards. So Awwwards, and open the awwwards.com, and here you'll find the click on inspiration and click on the websites. And as you can see here, there are a lot of website and amazing website. So let me show you how this will look. So just click on that arrow to open the website and see that creative website here. It's okay, loading here. Fantastic, great. Oh wow, great. And one more thing, you can do, you can check the platform, in which platform this website is built. So how you can do that? So you can use the Weblizer tool, okay, in your Chrome. So you can find it. So just open any website here, okay, and you need a Weblizer tool, okay, to do to check the website CMS or website technology. So click on that Weblizer tool and wait some seconds. So as you can see here, this website built with GSAP JavaScript framework. Okay, so see how it's look. Great. Now let's go to some other website. So see how their website and their website, click on this, and their technology also. Let's see. GSAP is really amazing, it's fantastic. So okay, oh great, and oh cool. I think this one is also built with GSAP, look like. Let me just try with Weblizer. Oh yeah, it's GSAP with Vue.js, both with programming languages Node.js in the backend. Oh great. So let's find out any website that we can build that type of website with very basic frameworks like WordPress or some other CMS. So let's figure it out. Let's try. Okay, and let's try to check this website, how it's look, and let's see their technology. First let's look into the website. Are you 21? Yes. Accept. Oh wow. Now let me just check this technology. Oh fantastic. As you can see here, the WordPress, it means you can build that type of website in WordPress. Okay, so let's look into some other website also. Let's try this one. It's good. It's good. Like it's normal, it's fine. It's not too much animations and all the things. Yeah, definitely this can also in WordPress. Yes, in WordPress. So it means you can build the amazing website using WordPress. You can build the website with GSAP and lot. So you can have the idea how we can and what type of website you can build. You can get the idea from all these websites. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.